J22 Clarksville, 1024.
Go ahead.
Be on South Liberty Road, southbound. Coming up on County Road 677, I believe. It's going to be a gray Nissan Ultimatum, Paul Henry, 50 Robert. We're still rolling.
10-1, drive 321.
We're still rolling, passing Smith Lane.
10-4.
Are you okay?
That's 10-4.
Okay.
Still rolling past Ridge Top.
Past Bridge Top.
J3, J22.
Go ahead.
What's your speeds and
We've been just rolling about 30 miles an hour. He's stopping here, coming back out onto 28 now. And he's still southbound on 28 now. I think he's trying to get home, I'm guessing. He should be suspended.
can you get up beside him?
I already have. He's made eye contact with me.
Well, if he's not stopping and he knows that you're trying to stop him, TBI.
10-4. Waiting for a clear spot here. Clarksville will be TBI in here at 28 Lot Lane.
28 Lot Lane, yeah.
TBI successful. Get your hands out the window. Hands out the window. Get your hands out the window. Listen to me. Because you're not stopping. Get out of the car.
There.
Get out of the car.
I didn't feel safe to stop
Anywhere
there. What are
on
you talking
Liberty
about?
Road?
Why are you getting me out of the car?
Get out of the car.
I didn't do anything.
Get out of the car.
I didn't do anything, sir.
Get out of the car.
Okay, but
Unbuckle with your right hand and step out.
why are you doing this? Like, for real, like,
Because you didn't stop.
oh, you gonna tase me?
Yes,
Come on
get
now.
out of the car.
Well, let me go.
Put right hand unclick.
Why are
Right
you doing
hand
this, sir?
unclick.
Like, oh my God, sir.
Right hand undo the
My
seatbelt.
God, sir. Ah! Hey,
Do
what
the
is wrong
seatbelt.
with you?
Undo the
What is
seatbelt.
wrong with you?
Undo the
I'm not even
seatbelt.
doing anything, sir.
Undo the seatbelt.
Okay, but
Do
go
it
ahead.
now.
Why are you getting all like mad and stuff?
Do it now.
Okay, I am.
He's fighting.
Oh, I'm fighting.
Let's
yeah,
go.
I'm fighting.
Undo it.
Come on now. I'm not fighting,
Undo
sir.
it. Okay,
What are
undo
you
the
doing?
seatbelt.
Let me go, sir. Okay,
Dude,
wow,
it's not
I
going to be
can't
that hard.
believe you, sir. I can't believe you, sir. What do you? Calm down, sir. I'm not resisting you. Like, relax. I'm not resisting you, sir. Like, why are you doing this, sir? I am not resisting. I was going speed limit, sir. It was, I couldn't even
You
stop
have
right
to
there.
stop
I
when the
couldn't
police
stop
are
right
behind
there.
you.
Yes, but
All the
if
way
it-
up Liberty Road.
If it's not a good place to stop, how am I gonna stop?
It was plenty of good places.
No,
I've
it
stopped
wasn't.
100 cars on Liberty Road. All those driveways, 2 county roads, the whole intersection.
Come on, like, look what you did to my car. You
I
pushed
don't
me
care.
out of the road.
You are
I was
absolutely
going like-
right.
I was going 35 miles per hour.
Yep.
Come on now. You tased me.
You finally found state police, didn't you?
State police? Come on, man. Like, what? You tased me. What you tased me for?
Because you didn't get out of the car.
Wow. Wow. You got, because I didn't get out of the car, right?
I didn't tell you to get in the car.
Wow.
We
Calm
ain't
down,
we ain't
bro.
on
Like,
your program.
what are you doing? Why are you taking my stuff off?
Quit moving.
Wow, man. I can't believe it.
I can't believe you're still driving. I'll let you go last time.
You let me go last time? What are you even talking about? What are you talking about?
Get in.
Wow.
Going to Parson.
Check 22 going.
I'm 15. Did have to drive us down to get him out of the car.
10-4 copy. 10-15, 326.
You can start me at 10-11.
10-4.
J3, J22, do you need me to come over there?
Go ahead.
922-501-666. 922-501-666. Should be suspended these guys. Yeah, you can buy them on 15. We're going to county.
Were you really ready to kill me for that?
You have the right to remain silent.
You pulled your
Anything you
gun
say-
at me. I mean, come on.
Anything you say can will be used against you in
Tasing me.
court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of those rights? You understand each of those rights? It's a yes or no.
Parcel J22. Hodges is 1019.
Simple. You understand those rights?
Maybe the taser will motivate me to talk.
Okay. So you don't want to answer any questions, I take it? Okay. Well, just to recap, obviously you came by me on Highway 27. Your tags are
You know I was
expired.
wrong. You know that was
I've
wrong.
dealt with you before. You're suspended.
That's what you did to me.
You've got a warrant.
Abuse.
Okay.
A warrant that I was gonna go get taken care of tomorrow. That I was just gonna get. You know, it was just for not payment, non-payment.
Listen, when I try to stop you, what are you supposed to do by law?
I'm not threatening, sir.
Stop.
You didn't need to do all that.
Stop.
You didn't need to do all that.
Actually, I did.
Look at the whole scene you caused.
Okay.
You almost caused the whole accident there.
No.
Yes.
No, there was no accident.
No. Look at the way you pushed me.
What do you mean?
Good thing I was going that slow. Good thing I was going that slow. Like.
It doesn't matter how fast you're going.
Yes, it does. Because like what you did to me right there.
I've done that maneuver at 100 miles an hour.
No, you did it good, but I mean that was completely unnecessary. Because I was not speeding.
It was ordered by my sergeant to do it.
I was not speeding.
You're fleeing.
I was not fleeing.
You didn't stop. You either stop or you're fleeing. That's the two
So
options.
as soon as the lights hit, I gotta stop?
Exactly.
Come on now.
I had sirens all the way down Liberty Road.
Of course, yeah.
How many county roads did we pass? Passed 3 county roads. That's a good spot to park.
I don't know.
Every driveway.
Missed an automatic accident at the 107.
I didn't feel safe to stop, sir, okay?
You could have stayed at the stop sign.
I did not feel safe to stop there. There's a lot of traffic around this time, and I did not feel safe. I was not speeding.
Look at all these nice areas.
Cleaning up right now.
This
is this side. Like, I did not feel safe to stop there. I did not feel safe to stop. And I wasn't speeding.
That's your opinion.
I did not, break the law in any way. Maybe because my tags were expired. That's why you was following me.
You got no insurance.
Just like something really petty that it was very unnecessary for you to pull your gun at me like that. What if you would have shot me?
I should have taken you to jail last time.
You should have just shot me. What would you done then? You kill a man for that? For real? Come on now.
All right.
Just be more mindful with that gun, bro. Like, and then you tasered me. You tasered me.
You didn't listen. You still weren't following commands. Yes, exactly. You didn't follow commands because you think you're in charge.
Look,
you think you're entitled.
If anybody was...
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Only person out of control, that was you. You were out of control.
I think I'm in complete control.
No, coming out, I mean, with a gun like that?
Yep. Because you fled.
You need to control your emotions when you're dealing with this kind of stuff. How are you going to pull a gun and then taser me for nothing?
You didn't get out of the car. What do you expect is going to happen?
Oh, what do you expect? You don't think I was scared when you pulled that gun at me like that?
I don't care what you are.
Like,
all you had to do is get out of the car.
All you had to do was fucking pull the trigger and shot me.
All you had to do was get out of the car.
I was getting out of the car.
On Liberty Road when I first tried to stop you. No, you weren't.
That's completely...
Get him out.
Yeah. I let him up on Liberty Road, and he just kept rolling. I mean, he wasn't taking off or nothing.
Yeah.
Lights and sirens all the way up Liberty Road, up to the stop sign, down through here. So, Sergeant's like, he's seen you, knows you're there, stop him.
Yeah.
Good to me. Last time I got him, I was too nice to him, and this is what you get.
Yeah.
I didn't take him to jail and told him last time.
Oh, you stopped him
So he
before?
thinks he's entitled. Yep. Just wrote him a bunch of tickets and let him go.
Lamp the vehicle, 98 amount here, I don't know about here, cable barrier damage.
Now we're set our differences aside. I've got your phone, your wallet, and that necklace. Anything else you need out of that car? This car's being impounded. And you're going to jail, obviously. Anything else you need? Okay. Are the handcuffs too tight? You need them adjusted.
I mean, if you put him like that, you put him like that for a reason. I mean,
I can adjust them if they need to be adjusted.
I don't know, man. I don't know. If you did it that way, that's the way it needed to be done, I guess.
First that way, I'll adjust them for you.
So, you're like toning it down now? Are you toning it down now? Wow.
I can match you.
No, I mean,
you want to start fighting again? We'll
I
start
ain't fighting.
Okay,
I'm just defending my...
Face that way.
Am I not supposed to defend my person?
Face that way.
Just let you fucking do whatever
like that? Do you want me to adjust the cuffs or not? I can adjust
I
and
don't
make sure
care if
they're
you
set
do
right.
it or not.
Face that.
What I can see that you're doing is toning it down for something. You
Yeah,
must be
it's over.
afraid of some kind of repercussion. Like, come,
No,
then
it's all-
why are you worried
Look,
about it?
right there's a camera. Right there's a camera.
I know.
It's
If
all
you've
on
done
camera.
it like that,
all on
it must
camera.
have been for a reason, okay? Because
It's
I was
all on
not
camera.
resisting arrest.
You didn't
I was
stop
not
and you didn't
being
get out of the car.
threatening.
Okay.
I was not fleeing. I was not speeding.
Do you want the cuffs adjusted?
I have no answer for that, sir.
Okay.
Because I don't want to be conflicted
Face
and
this way.
confront. No.
Face this way.
He's trying to tone it down. Look at you, man. Come on. Look.
God, you can't talk to him.
Whew.
Why didn't he stop, you say?
It didn't feel safe. It wasn't a good spot. It wasn't.
Plenty of places, honestly.
Right, let's look right here. Got a whole parking lot right there.
How fast was it going?
I believe 70 miles an hour or something. This is 3 TBIs in 3 weeks.
Really? You got one of them? That's called code 11?
Yep. I don't see anything of value in here.
Oh, if you want to go ahead and take him, man, I'll take it for you.
I'll type up toe slip real quick, unless you got a form to do it. I'll do it. I can type it up.
Time back.